Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my November Boxycharm. If you're curious to see what I got in this box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my November Boxycharm. I gotta say, guys, Boxycharm is definitely one of my favorite makeup subscriptions, so I'm very curious to see what happens now that Ipsy bought them out. We'll just have to see how it goes, but without further ado, let's see what they sent me in this box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I gotta say, it looks a little bigger than what I normally get, so I'm really curious to see what's inside here. So let's pop it open. Alrighty. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. Little like a picker. Oh, this is very nice. Very festive looking, I gotta say. Ooh, Boxycharm Harvest. Ooh, we got a 25% off of one of the products probably in there. Look how pretty their card is this month. Loving it. Okay, so obviously the card's going to tell me what's inside here, and I really don't want to know without just, popping it open. Ooh, Gimme Brow. So it's Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Okay, guys, here it is. But in every single box that I get this kind of stuff in so far, they have sent me the wrong color. I'm very curious to see if this color is going to be the color that is going to be right for me. Let's pop it open. Because it never is, guys. Like, I can't see where it says the color on here, so I don't know. Oh, I'm not going to get my hopes up because I really love this kind of stuff, but it's never the right color for me. Nope. It's brown. Ugh! It's brown. I have no use for brown. Darn it. And I need more of this stuff. I don't understand why they keep sending me brown. I know for a fact when I fill out these quizzes that I put that I needed black. And they're always sending me the wrong stuff. It irritates me beyond belief. I don't want to go on a rant, but it's really ticking me off. All right, so Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural-looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapered brush provides easy, mess-proof application. I'm saying that must be a misprint. It says poof. Well, maybe poof. Poof, fuller-looking brows magically appear. Awesome. So the retail price of this little bad boy, which it is 3 grams, net weight is 0.1 ounce, is $24. I mean, seems like a lot, but I bet this lasts you a pretty long time, so that will be great. So, guys, I hate to do this to you, but I have to pause because my Instacart lady keeps sending me messages, so I have to see what the heck she's asking me about. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I just keep seeing all these messages popping up, and she's sending me photos, and you know how that is. I'm an Instacart shopper as opposed to going into the store because it's just so convenient. I'd rather just pay the additional $10 tip to have them deliver it to my house. Just saying. Okay, well, it depends on how much stuff I get. Now, if I get a ton of stuff, of course, it's more than $10. But if I'm just getting a few items, I'll tip them $10. Okay, let's move on to the next item. I'm sure you guys don't care about my Instacart shopping. This is Jekka Black? I don't know, guys. I'm probably saying it wrong. But it's a liquid corrector. Vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. I gotta say, guys, here's her name. I don't know what that means. What's a liquid corrector? It offers a light coverage and corrects under-eye darkness. There you go. That's what a liquid corrector is. Okay, let's check her out here. So meet the perfect under-eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. So the lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. So the retail price of this is $15. I can't even get it out because it's so cheap. Everything is usually exorbitantly priced, but this seems right on par. So this is 10 milliliters for $15. Let's pop it open here and see what we're dealing with because I have no idea. Here's what it looks like. It is small though, guys. I gotta say, it's pretty small. So $15, I don't know. But it is an eye corrector, so it'll probably go, ooh. Why do I always get so much? train wreck, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, it's like this color, but I got like enough for about 30 uses right there. Why do I always do that? I'm going to quit doing this because I can't ever get it right. Let's just blend it in. Yes! Awesome! I can't believe I did that. I mean, I can, but I can't. So there you go. It blends really well compared to what it was. Really doesn't have much of a smell. So, okay, great. I don't know how much correction it did on my hand here, but there you go, guys. Awesome. I do it every single time. I'm probably going to mess up this card now. It's going to be filthy dirty. Awesome. I mean, I do throw these away. There's really no reason to keep this. I'm just saying, but whatever. All right, I'm looking at the card and I didn't pull out a product. This is a great unboxing, guys. This is why you came here, for the train wreck unboxing. Okay, so we have a Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. I don't know what all that means. I mean, it's a mask, but I don't know what all the other stuff means, all the other hype. Let's take a look here. So this is the Yenza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric. Okay. So it's a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. I wonder how you determine how long you leave it on. It says 5 to 10 minutes. Like, I'm sure it depends on your skin type, but how am I supposed to know when it's done? I'm just saying. All right, so the retail price of this bad boy is $45. 45 bucks. All right. How much is in here? 2.5 fluid ounces. All right. So, oh, I gotta say, they got some great packaging, though. I mean, this is really great packaging. All right. Gently massage and circle 3 to 4 times a week. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, it does have a nice smell to it. Definitely. See if I just get a dab out for you guys. Here it is on my hand. I'll put it right here, see if you can see it any better. Ooh, yeah, that does feel really nice. You feel the, ooh, that smells so good. You can't really see anything, but you can feel the crystals and stuff in it. So that's really cool. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. Oh my gosh, this pumpkin smells amazing. Yes, I'm loving the pumpkin turmeric. $45 though, that seems like a lot. I don't know. We'll see how many uses I get out of this thing, but I'm actually kind of excited about that one. All right, 2 more things in here. Let's see if I can keep it under control here. Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Okay, so obviously this is a serum. Not a serum using kind of girl, but let's see what we got here. So this is an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. Wow, the retail price of this bad boy is $62. This is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. Okay, let's see if I can take it out of here. What's happening here? It's packaged up pretty good in there. So, ooh, nice little bottle. Yeah, great packaging. Look at that. Very cool. So we're going to give it a little... How does it work? What does that do? Oh. Snifferoo. Here, I'm just going to... Woo! Just like that. Alright, I don't want to touch it in case I decide I don't want it. But that's what it looks like. And I can't smell it because I smell the pumpkin turmeric from the last one. But yeah, I'll just rub it in. And, you know, it's just... Yeah, I can't smell it, guys. That pumpkin turmeric. That's all I smell. But, okay. I don't know. I might end up giving this away, but we'll have to see. I don't know. Serums just aren't my thing, guys. I know that people say they do a lot of great things and all of that, but, I don't know. It's just not my thing. Okay, so we got one more item in here. Ooh, mysteriously packed. It's never usually packaged like this. It's a Natasha Denona Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. Okay, so let's see what this mysterious packed palette looks like. They normally don't come like this. Ooh, pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I'll open this up here for you guys so maybe you can get a better look at those colors. Nice, pretty fall colors. But I can tell you right now, I have a ton like this, so I'm definitely not keeping this. I'm going to give it to my niece, one of them. I don't know which one yet, but yeah, it's pretty nice. So it's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Awesome. Composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classic, I don't know, Biba? Here it is, guys. Biba. I don't know. You tell me if I said it right. Safari and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. Not me, though, because I'm definitely giving it to my niece. I'm just saying I'm probably not going to use it. So the retail price of this eyeshadow palette, I'll look at it again. Guys, I'm going to have to just start bending over on camera, and I'm going to like put a hologram of myself standing here when I bend over. I'll be back. Okay, was that worth it? You know, my unboxing videos are getting as reckless as my crafting videos. I'm just going to rename my channel Ambazar's Reckless DIY and that. Or something like that. Awesome. So this bad boy, that's what I wanted to get at. I wanted to show it again because, I mean, I feel like you need to see it to understand why I'm so in like, really? But they're saying the retail price of this is $48. $48. I would never, guys. For eyeshadow palette? 48 bucks. Nah, not happening. All right, guys. So let me do a little tally of all the things that they put in this thing so you guys can see what type of value I got in my box. And yeah, that'll close out the video. So let me do that now. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I've got everything tallied. So a quick rundown of everything I got. I got the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. It was a $48 value. The Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum. That was $62 value. The Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. The value of that is $24. The Yenza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. That one is $45 value. Then the Jacka Black, I don't know, Liquid Corrector. That is a $15 value, making the total value for this box $194. So almost $200 value in the box, not bad. Boxycharm usually never disappoints for me, although I am disappointed with the brow gel thing because I just wish they could send me the right color. I don't understand. Do these things not come in black? What is the problem? Not really sure. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased with this box. I'll definitely give the brow gel to one of my nieces, as the same with the eyeshadow palette. It's a great palette. I just have so many like it. I don't need another one. So the serum, it's kind of questionable whether or not I'll keep it or give it away. Not really sure yet. I'll definitely maybe put it in a giveaway since I didn't actually touch it. Or I will give it to one of my nieces, my mom. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Nonetheless, still not a disappointing box. I'm still really happy that I have the Boxycharm subscription, and I'm curious to see what happens now that Ipsy bought them out. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that train wreck of an unboxing. If you did, I have many more coming up, as well as many more DIYs, so make sure you're subscribed and you've hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video and you don't miss any more reckless shenanigans. Thanks for stopping by to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be... I forget. Hold on. Oh. I was reading a message. Hold on. Let's see what they put in here. Alrighty-dighty. Oh, ooh, looks so pretty. So fun. Ooh, we got a couple of things in here. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Really? I'm just going to do it again. I'm just going to film again. Let's just do it again. Okay, guys, so. Nope. Try it again. Okay, guys, so. No, that just doesn't work. Try it again. Ugh, really? All right, try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I think I showed my address. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Nope, I don't like it. Try it again.